Hello students, again with another session of profit and loss. The next part comes discount. It's a festive time, so on every appliance, on clothing, everywhere you will find discount and discount. So what is this discount actually? Whatever price is written on the commodity which you are buying, that is MRP, marked price. On that MP you are given some relaxation. That relaxation is your discount. So the terms that we are going to use in this topic, they are MP, which stands for marked price, SP, you are familiar children, this stands for selling price, fine, and finally comes the most awaited one, D stands for discount. D stands for discount. As you were calculating profit percent and loss percent in comparison to CP, here we will calculate this discount percent in comparison to MP. So discount percent is written by discount over MP multiplied by 100%. Clear? Now you may find some cases where discount percent is given and you are asked to calculate discount. So in this formula only you just do transposition. So discount will be D percent into MP over 100. Fine. And one last formula that you need to learn in case of discount, that is discount is equals to MP minus SP. MP minus SP. Children, in case of discount, MP is always, marked price is always greater than selling price. You feel so. It is not actually, but still as far as questions are concerned, it is same that marked price is greater than selling price. Now moving towards the questionnaire part, the first question that I have taken, find the rate of discount when you are given MP and SP both. Children, discount percent and rate of discount, they both means the same. Rate of discount or discount percent, they both means the same. So there is no confusion. Now you are given MP as 2800, SP as 2100. So first of all you calculate discount, which is equals to MP minus SP. MP is rupees 2800 minus 2100. So child, you will get, children, you will get 700. Discount is rupees 700. Now we want to express this discount as percentage. So it is discount over MP multiplied by 100%. So this will become 700 over 2800 multiplied by 100%. 7 fours and your discount percent is 25%. Here your discount percent is 25%. Now another question in the sequence, find the SP when MP is rupees 1500 and discount is 12%. So first of all you write what is given to you. MP is rupees 1500 and discount is 12%. So first of all, children, we will calculate discount. Discount is equals to D percent into MP over 100. That is 12 into 1500 over 100. That is rupees 180. Your discount comes rupees 180. MP you want selling price. So you write formula SP is equals to MP minus discount. That is rupees 1500 minus 180. So your answer will be rupees 1320. Selling price of that article will be rupees 1320 rupees. Now next question in the same. Find the MP if SP is rupees 1900 and discount is 5%. Children, MP is not given to you. Again my advice is same, that you go step by step method. So let MP be rupees X. Let MP be rupees X. So discount is your how much? 5%. Fine. So discount is equals to, in amount, 5% of X. It is 5 over 100 into X. So answer comes X rupees X by 20. Now we use the single formula SP is equals to MP minus discount. SP is 1900 is equals to X minus X over 20. If we take LCM, then we get 1900 is equals to upon 20, 19x. So x is equals to 1900 into 20 over 19. So answer comes rupees 2000 rupees. Now children, another question. A shopkeeper marks his goods 30% above the cost price and he gives discount of 15% on the marked price. First of all, he marked his goods 30% above the cost price and then he gives 15% discount on marked price. What gain percent does he make? Let me make you clear, children, that SP selling price plays the mediator role between profit and loss and discount, because this term is the one which connects. It acts as a connector between profit and loss and discount. So this question, for this particular question, I will make two columns, one for profit and loss and another one for your discount. Now, a shopkeeper marks his goods 30% above the cost price. So let CP be rupees X. So MP will be X rupees, X plus 30% of X, that is rupees X plus 30 over 100 into X. Now see children, do simplification and you will get 13x over 10. This is your mark price. After getting mark price, he is giving you discount of 15%. So discount percent is given as 15%. You need to calculate what discount he is giving you. So that is discount percent into MP over 100. Now To calculate discount, simplify this, put values 15 into 13x over 10 multiplied by 100. This is 2s are 3s are, that is 39x over 200. This is your discount which he is giving you after increasing the cost price by 30%, means becoming the mark price. After this discount 39x over 200, let us calculate SP. SP is equals to MP minus discount. MP is 13x over 10, discount is 39x over 200. Let's simplify it. Take LCM, that is 200. You will get 260x minus 39x, which is equals to 221x over 200 in rupees. This is your SP. So in case column of profit and loss, let us write SP is equals to 221x over 200 rupees, which is obviously greater than x. So as SP greater than CP, we will get profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. So let us calculate profit. SP is 221x over 200 minus your CP is x. Again children, take LCM, that is 200. 221x minus 200x, it comes 21x over 200. This is your profit. Now you have to express this profit as a profit percent. So we will simply change a bit of writing formula. P divided by CP multiplied by 100%. So your P is 21x over 200 divided by x multiplied by 100%. Let's simplify 21x over 200 into 1 over x into 100%. Let's simplify, x cancelled by 2. So your profit percent is 21 over 2% or 10 whole 1 by 2%. I hope that I have made you clear with the concept of profit and loss and its connection with discount as well. Questions of discount also we have discussed. Again, it's my request children, if you have any query, please do write in the comment box. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe as much as possible. Thank you everyone.